Look at those moves, buddy. Keep going.
We've got an audience. Don't stop now.
They like each other.
Go on, buddy. Keep crawling.
He's watching you.
Slow and steady. There you go.
Oh, look at
Gentle
that.
hands. Good job.
He takes his job so seriously. No one gets near her without his permission. And look at that face. Proudest big brother ever. She's safe, and he knows it.
You think that's funny? Oh, he's being silly for you. Gentle pats. Good boy.
Here you come, Scout. What are you gonna do?
He looks so confused. Meow.
Wherever she crawls, he follows. Eyes sharp at the door, nose to the wind, ever her gentle guard. He checks her toys, returns runaway rings, even handles pacifier duty with care.
You're keeping an eye on her, aren't you, buddy?
Look at you two. My little team. Good boy, Scout. Keeping watch, huh? Proud as can be.
He won't let you go far, huh? Best friends already.
Cooper's showing you how to sit. Yeah, that's the cue. You trying? Almost. There you go, on your bum. Good job, buddy. Sit like Coop.